Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out your Solana from Phantom wallet. So to cash out Solana from your Phantom wallet, you first need to transfer your SOL to a crypto exchange that actually supports the withdrawals to your bank or other cash out methods. The popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken allows you to sell SOL for fiat currency. So first of all, you need to open your Phantom wallet, and over here you see Solana. So you need to simply tap over here, and after tapping on it, you need to tap on the send option. Now here you just have to simply open your exchange, and from there you need to find the deposit address and enter that address in this section and press next in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to enter the amount of SOL that you want to transfer, and then you just have to basically initiate and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed successfully, you will get your SOL in your exchange, and from that exchange you can sell it or convert it into USDT, and then you can sell that USDT in exchange of the money or the fiat currency, and you can get that money in your bank account. Now if you want to do it via Phantom's official application and the website, unfortunately you cannot directly do it. So even if you tap on the sell option over here, you will be able to sell your Solana here, and you can select your bank account in order to get the money in your bank. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you so much for watching.